Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to turn off autopay on Klarna, the 3 proven ways to actually do this. Way number 1, you just come here, click on purchases, and then you just go ahead and click on payment options, and then you remove one of your payment methods or all of your payment methods. You just click here and remove it. Okay, that would basically turn off autopay. The other way is to manually pay your installments. So you can see right here, these are active pay laters. You can click on one of them, and then you just go ahead and click on pay, and you pay a certain amount that would manually, by paying your installment, you would turn off autopay for that time. Or what you can do is contact Klarna customer service. So you come in the top left, click on your profile icon. I want you to go ahead and scroll down until you see help section. Click on customer service and say that you want to speak to an agent, okay? And explain to them that you would like to turn off autopay on Klarna. Really, that isn't simple. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.